Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to share a new project that I'm going to be building that I'm really excited about. It's an electric dirt bike called the Sur Ron X. I rode one of these the other day at a park. A guy let me ride his. I fell in love with the thing, and so I decided to order one and a bunch of upgrades. And because I'm a big guy, so I need kind of other parts to make the bike more compatible for someone my size, because they are kind of a smaller framed dirt bike. But I kind of wanted to go over some of the parts I bought, and then I'm going to be doing a video after the whole thing is complete. So here we go. All right, first off, I went with some Excel wheels with gold hubs, which I thought looked really cool. And I got the 18 in the back and the 21 in the front, which is what I'm told is a good upgrade for someone that is tall, about 6'4", 6'5", like I am. Another component that helps with someone my size are these Pro Taper riser handlebars. As you can see, they have like a 2 or 3 inch, actually I think a 4-inch rise, as well as an actual stem riser. So this attaches to the handlebars and brings up the handlebars even higher. Now I'm not going to unbox these, but these are from Surron shop, and this is the XL kit. This extends the entire length and height of the bike about 3 inches. Not a lot of people use these because they are kind of expensive. It's like, I think it's $1,200 for this entire kit, but it just makes the bike a lot more comfortable for someone my size. I'll just hold the camera for the remaining parts. I have a strengthened aluminum Warp9 swing arm thing that attaches on the back. This is kind of supposed to be a weak link, so it's good to get this upgraded. I got a Warp9 60-tooth sprocket versus the 48-tooth, I believe, is stock, but this creates more torque, again, for someone that's heavier. Another upgraded component, I think this is called the S-Link. I thought it would look cool to have a gold one since it's kind of gold and blue theme on my bike. I got wider aluminum black pegs, a custom chain because it's going to have to be longer because of that XL kit that's going to be extending it. I'm also, again, about 230 pounds, so I bought an upgraded spring that's supposed to be better for someone my weight. I got a headlight switch from Warp9, as well as a Baja Designs S2 Pro headlight, which is supposed to be a lot better. Then I did a custom wrap, so that's going to look kind of cool. It's like gray and black. I'll put a little preview of what it's going to look like. But in a KO Moto, this is their Nano controller. It's good for up to, I think, 17 kilowatts of power, so I don't really need anything more than 15 from what I've read. And then I bought a Qi battery, or Chai battery, a 72 volt max. This is supposed to be one hell of a battery, supposed to get great range, great power. Bought an upgraded carbon fiber kind of wrapped seat. And that's about it. Oh, I also have a KO Factory Spec motor on order, which you're supposed to have if you're running, anything more than, I think, 6 kilowatts on the stock motor. So I'm really looking forward to this build. I actually have a buddy coming over tonight that's going to help me. We're going to start putting this thing together. I just wanted to order all the parts before I begun assembly. But summer's coming here in Seattle, and there's a lot of trails around, and because this thing's electric, it doesn't make much noise, and it just has a ton of power. So I'm excited to do a follow-up video once it's all complete. Let me know in the comment section what you think of the parts that I ordered. Hopefully they're all, approved by you. I don't know much about Surrons. Like I said, I met some guy the other day that gave me, let me ride his at a park, and I just fell in love. And this entire setup cost me around $9 grand, but I'm thinking it's going to be well worth it. So hope to see you in the next video.